This is a site called Duolingo that I like to use in my Spanish class. This website in particular allows you the opportunity to study multiple different languages. However, I teach Spanish, so I use the Spanish one. Um, what's really nice about this site is it's a great thing if you have a couple of extra minutes that they can practice and you don't have them just kind of sitting around. It's kind of like a game. It's a little bit like Khan Academy as far as math goes. However, it's for Spanish. So for example, I can have students, you can see I have some of my students from last year on here. I have a teacher account too for this year, but you can give them assignments of which ones it is that you want them to practice, and then it shows you your progress. So for example, if I click something like clothing, I can choose what lesson it is that I am at, and since I've already done it, I can go back and strengthen it. It will give you a practice test first to see where you are, and then you can practice. So sometimes it will say it for you so you can hear it, but I'm going to translate it and put the boots, and it tells me that I'm correct. And so I keep going. And it wants me now to say what I hear or type what I hear.
La ropa.
So I know that's la ropa. I'm going to check to see if I was right, and then it gives me the translation, the clothes. And then they can keep going over and over and over again until
Mis pantalones.
they finish. So even if you get something wrong like this, so I know this is my pants, but let's say I put his pants or something like a really minor error, it will tell you that it's incorrect, and then you get so many wrong choices. I think you get 3 wrong choices until it actually ends the activity and makes you go back to the one before it. So it's pretty fun for the kids. They really seem to like it. I know when I was taking Spanish in high school, we did a lot of partner work, we did a lot of games, but I only have 3 students this year, so sometimes the competitive nature doesn't really work because you can't put them into teams. They have to do everything by themselves, and if one person doesn't have it or somebody's absent, it's not very fun just playing a group game with 2 people. So I find out this works really well. They can earn bonus points by getting flirting, or one of them is like rhymes and slang and stuff like that. And they can really work at their own pace to keep going. So this is one of the games that I really like, especially if I have a substitute or, like I said, with extra time. So again, this is duolingo.com.